people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today's topic na about one wetin happen for Canada, like the thing e shocktalize me. Some women they terrible sha. Some women I make to do good for this life na bad thing, because to do good before na good thing, but some people come dey make person dey stop to dey do good. My people, wanna listen to this topic this woman, because for Canada they if you come put one for ground for there now, so e get the way somebody go take help you. E go help you do like wetin we dey call amedo for year. They go help you do am. Then if they help you do am, they go like maybe they go help you do am, like the person go drop a document to help you do that, that medal. So all your information, everything now na go dey with you, because na he help you drop a document, na he made you for your house, do everything for you, So and so people take the help, and this woman is not take help this her friend. So later now, this her friend now can't use that paper now. That this her friend now will drop paper for her now. She can't use that one paper now till they do fraud. You can't begin to use until they go borrow money. Use until do many things. Use until they do fraud. So this woman now don't know. Not be later wey be say they come tell am say, see what you do. They want to arrest the other woman now, say, see what you do. Then that one can say, no, when it do this thing. You understand? So later, after enough investigation, that woman now for go prison put. And later they come find out, see, now somebody use her paper till they do all those things. You see, and that her friend. And that's how they talk to you, so that her friend in Nigeria now. This woman and I call the suffer the thing. People did this life, my people did this life. Mona fear people. Fear people, because I don't know a bit to do good for this life now bad thing again. This woman now don't do it for a friend finish now. Now if friend now come no. You can't go use her paper. Till they go they do bad things. Till they give her those Yahoo boys, they do people. And that woman need all her information I dey inside. Now they don't put that woman for problem. They dey Nigeria now the woman. My people, I beg, Mona help me talk for this matter. What did this lady do now na good thing? Why be say people they bad, people they wicked for this life? Because this thing now when I tell you, so you come out for television, for everywhere, for Canada then. This woman now don't put this her friend now for problem. Big problem now. This woman don't know what to do again. She just like, the thing shockalize her. She not expect what this her friend do. She not even know what to do now. So now, she can't give me the topic, say I beg. Make I help and talk for this thing. Like, the thing they shockalize me. People did this life. People did this life. If I talk and say, make we fear people for this life. People could feel say maybe at the joke. Fear people. How can somebody help you finish? Somebody help you. If not, I for put the video, but una not go to understand. Una not to understand, and because of the news. Wait, make I play and small more and listen.
Another woman used Joyce Obaseki's name after being arrested. Now Obaseki is worried that one action may have had long-lasting consequences for her. Farah Morelli has her story.
This is a story that started almost 20 years ago, but only now is coming to some kind of conclusion. In 2002, Joyce Obaseki got a phone call from Toronto police saying there was a warrant for her arrest for skipping bail in Calgary. But Obaseki had never even been to Calgary, let alone been charged with a crime. So when police shared a photo of who was wanted with Obaseki, she immediately recognized her. Turns out it was someone she went to high school with back in Nigeria named Christy Imuya. Emuya had used Obaseki's name when she was arrested, so police advised Obaseki to stay away from her. Fast forward now 18 years, Obaseki says she assumed police had cleared up the confusion until she learned her name was on an RCMP database next to several criminal charges and immigration offenses that were allegedly committed by Emuya.
The shock and the embarrassment and the pains and all that. So how do I explain that to my family and, where do I even start from? So I said, that wasn't me.
Now, why that's so important is that over the years, Obaseki tried to bring members of her family here from Nigeria for visits, but their visas were always denied. What we've learned is that an immigration official did a search of Obaseki in an RCMP database, and the search identified her as Emuya. Obaseki's lawyer says over the years she had no idea why those visas were being denied.
Usually, as a Canadian, you are allowed to invite family members. It's kind of a given to a large extent. But for her, it wasn't happening. But she didn't know the cause of that problem.
At the end of last year, the RCMP sent Obaseki this letter, officially clearing her name from the criminal record. There's still an outstanding warrant for Christy Emuya.
She committed a crime against me, and the crime affected my whole life. To me, this is like a life sentence, because I'm going to have to think about this, talk about this all my life. And it affected my family. She didn't just steal my identity, she also took away my credibility.
While Obaseki is relieved her name is finally cleared, she still has a lot of questions about why this even happened in the first place. Christy Emuya didn't respond to our requests for comment. Farah Morali, CBC News, Toronto.
My people, una hear wetin this wetin they talk now, the grammar wey they speak now. He just puts this woman now for problem. Nah, she nah dey Nigeria. How this woman now go come waka now? How she go waka now, my people? Now, wow. People dey this world. People dey this world. Like, seriously. People dey this world. I just feel for the woman. Really, I feel for her because it's not easy. Eh? Just person do good for you. You can't pay am with this evil. Like, seriously, people did this world. I fear will not fear that woman. I fear will not fear her more because, no. And people, I beg, when I may contribute for this thing, I will not raising this matter. Person do good now, come enter one chance. 20 years ago, like this woman do this thing, and now they can't find out who they do this thing ever since. You just put this woman for big problem, my darling people. So I beg more wise with this one, more wise. Thank you, my darling people. Share this video for me. Let this video go viral. Thank you and God bless you for me. And always subscribe and thumbs up for my videos. Bye.